Good morning, class. We begin today with today's module is mole concept. Now in this, what is a mole first? A mole is defined as the amount of substance containing elementary particles like atoms, molecules, or ions in 12 grams of carbon of the isotope C12. Now what we mean by elementary particles? Just a unit, it's a collection of particles. Like, say, a dozen. Dozen has how many counts? 12. A dozen pencil, 12 pencils. 1 dozen bananas means 12 bananas. The numerical value is 12. Similarly, say a score, 20. A score means 20. A score of x means 20x. Or a gross means 144. So it is a number. And what is that number? In case of a mole, the number is this. It is a collection of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. This number is also known as Avogadro's number. And these particles, naturally in chemistry, the particles are atoms, molecules, ions, etc. So 1 mole means maybe 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, or this many molecules, or this many ions also, any chemical particle. That is. Now, gram atomic mass. These are some of the terms you'll come across. So, gram atomic mass means what? The atomic mass of an element which is expressed in grams. And what is a gram atom? Gram atom means the quantity of element which is present, which weighs equal to 1 gram atomic mass. So, suppose we say sodium. What is the gram atom of sodium? 1 gram atom of sodium. This is equal to 23. Quantity of Na in the quantity of the element which weighs equal to 1 gram atom. That is, 1 gram atom of sodium is 23. Suppose you are asked the question that how many gram atoms of sodium are present in 46 grams. So in 46 grams, how do you find out? 46, you have to divide it by the 23. Then you get 2 gram atoms. How many gram atoms of sodium are present in 46 grams? 2 gram atoms. Now we will write a way of conversion, means how the moles are related to these particles, to the mass and to the volume. That is represented, that I'll represent just now in the form of an equation. And on that magical equation only depends how you will be doing the problems. So 1 mole. This 1 mole can be related in so many ways. In terms of particle. Particle means what? Particle means the atoms, molecules, ions, etc. In terms of particles, in terms of volume, and in terms of mass. Terms of mass. 1 mole of a substance will contain how many particles? It will contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Irrespective of the fact that what the element is. The atom particles means atoms, molecules, etc. or ions. Particle, this is the number of particles present in 1 mole. In terms of volume, at STP, 1 mole of anything will occupy 22.4 dm cube. Now this is equal to liters, so 22.4 liters also can be written, or 22400 cm cube or centimeter cube, cubic centimeter. So 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. It will occupy 22.4 dm cube at STP, and in terms of mass, depending on what it is, whether it is an atom or molecule, depending on that, it is the gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. So gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, these are in terms of mass. If the particle is atom, then the gram atomic mass, whatever is the gram atomic mass of the particle, that is equal to 1 mole. Whatever is the gram molecular mass, this is also called molar mass. This is the equivalent to 1 molecule. Now, keeping this equation in mind, we can solve all the problems. Let us do one by one the problems, then you'll understand it better. I'm writing it a little closer so that I'll be able to solve the new gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. Now let us see the questions. The number of moles in 16 grams of oxygen. আপনি কেটে করুন এটা না, আমি তো বলতে পারছি না, কাট দ্যাট পোর্শন না। আপনি দেখছেন না আমার দিকে, আমি কি করে বলবো? কার্টুন আগে ওইটা এদিকে দেখুন, আমি আই ওয়াজ হেজিটেটিং।